it going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make chicken satay skewers with a yummy peanut satay sauce. So let's go and I'll show you how. Okay, for this recipe I'll need 2 chicken breasts and I'm going to show you how I'm cutting them up. So I cut the bottom and the top, and I'll have them about that length. So I cut like this. So for the marinade, I'm going to blend up half a cup of sugar, half a cup of coconut milk, three sprigs of coriander, 8 garlic cloves, 1 stalk of lemongrass, and 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. Now I'm pouring the sauce on there and then I'm going to put all the spices in. Okay, so I've got 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of cumin, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. And then I'm going to give it a mix and I'm going to let it sit in the fridge overnight. And tomorrow I'll come back and I'll put them on skewers and cook them and then taste test them for you. Yum, I can't wait.
Why does it look greasy? Looks so greasy, like a sewer slime. But I don't like.
Sewer slime.
Sewer slime skewers.
It looks like green wooden slime. But it looks like wooden green slime, but I don't like.
Now I'm just going to show you how I put the chicken on the skewer, and I have the skewers soaking in water for about 20 minutes so they don't burn when you put them on the skillet.
Is it ready?
No, it's not ready.
Oh. It looks like an ender, but I don't like to eat.
Okay, so I'll just get it and I get the pointy end and I put it in the chicken. Let
Chicken.
Shush. Like so. Like that. And then I give it a few snips with the scissors. And then put it on the plate. And whatever sauce I have left, I'm going to use for marinade, coating it while it's cooking. There you go, they're all skewered. Now time for cooking. Okay, I'm just putting in my saucepan some oil, and then I'm going to fry the massaman curry, and I have 1 tablespoon of massaman curry. Just a little bit more oil. One cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of palm sugar. You can use brown sugar if you don't have palm sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter. And it will go thick in a minute. How simple is that? So we're just going to mix it together until all the sugar's melted and the peanut butter goes together. Okay, that's been cooking for about 3 minutes. It will go thick once it sits there to cool. And then I'm going to have it with my chicken skewers. Yum! So now I'm going to heat up my pan that I'm cooking my chicken skewers in, and I'm going to cook them about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And I'm just going to put some oil in the pan, and it's nearly ready. Can't wait to taste these beauties. Yum. I've also got some pineapple that I've chopped up with some cinnamon, sugar and coconut, and I'm going to also put them on the fry pan while the chicken skewers are cooking. With the sauce, we got the peanut sauce, the chicken skewers and the pineapple. So now let's go and taste. Yum. Down, wait.
Alrighty, so the satay skewers are ready. Now it's time to taste. You want me in the video?
No, you can just taste it, Lando. So you're going to dip it in some satay sauce?
No.
Okay. How does it taste, Lando?
Good.
Mmm.
Do you want one?
Yeah, I'm going to have one.
Okay.
I'm going to dip mine in some satay sauce because I love satay sauce. Mmm. Delicious. Mmm. Let me try some of this pineapple. Yum. So if you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. And we're going to enjoy these satay sticks. Bye! Yum.